So Jonathan Bown
Hmm.
is our question asker. And Jonathan, he asks, how long does it take you to develop a course? And what advice would you give to people that want to develop their own?
Oh, that's a great question. It depends. I mean, the Coursera specialization, it took us a while, like 2 years, more than 2 years, and with a team. So that can take a while. When we were at Udacity, we were getting them out much quicker because we had a team where everybody had their own section. So I would say a few months would be to build a machine learning course or something. So it really depends on how long the course. The course we taught with JLMR and Andrewing, that was quick because those are like that was like maybe 2 3 weeks. So it depends on what team you have and and what resources you have. The stuff that I do myself, it takes me a while. I take a long time thinking about the stuff, and I'm normally having a few wheels spinning in my head about different videos. Once I have the idea, I would say maybe a month of building the slides and recording and all that stuff. So yeah, it basically varies. It's a lot of variance on what advice for what you like. If you like teaching, just start putting your content out there. I mean, that's how I started, kind of randomly. I put one video and people watched it, and so I kept going, and that's how people start. Just start putting your videos out there or your blog posts. Find what you like to do the most. What you do best is what you enjoy the most. Some people enjoy writing, some people enjoy making videos. Do it that way in whatever format you enjoy better. Some people do it just talking like this, some people do animations. Just do what you like, and start putting them out there and gathering an audience, because the most important thing is to gather an audience. Once you have an audience, then you can, yeah, I mean, they build a course with a company or something. But yeah, I would say just put your content out there and bless the world with your content, because everybody has their way of seeing things, and so everybody has a new perspective. So just don't deny, like, give that to the world. That's the first step.